I've upgraded my cooking channel by upgrading my tripod that hangs over the phone that's right here, and we're going to upgrade it 2 more times. This was in a packing, and now we're going to upgrade our table. If you notice, I did scratch it. I could have just flipped the table. I didn't, so wait for it. Have this nice foam that I have. I'm going to put it at all 4 corners and wait for it. Black quartz. Definitely going to have to do something about the light though. Still get a heavy reflection. Nice, right? Upgrade. Let's fan it off a little. And let's see what it looks like with a nice white Burrell plate. Definitely nicer. All right. Thank you, Google.